we are going to take a look at the dashboards that we are going to come up with as part of this course. So in this course, we are going to design 2 versions of the same dashboard. And the goal here is to help you learn different ways that you can design and present dashboards within Microsoft Excel. So what we are looking at the moment is version 1, where we have the competitors here. So if you take a look at this, we have Bolt, Shaxi, Uber, and then Yango. Then we can see the key performance indicators for each of these companies here. Then we also have this slicer that allows you to interact with the dashboard. So if the user is interested in the performance for any specific month, they can pick that from here. So this makes the dashboard really interactive. Then we have the ranking or the market leaders by revenue. So we have the competitors here as well as their market share if we are looking at revenue and then bookings. So for each of them, we can see the value and then the percentage of the total. So if you take a look at revenue, this is the market leader and this is the percentage of the total revenue for this company. So if you are interested in any specific month, you just pick it from here. So depending on the month that you are going to pick, you are going to see the insights relating to that month. Then we also have the revenue and the bookings by month, and then we can see the relationship or the trend. So depending on the competitor that you are going to pick, you'll be able to see the trend or the relationship between the revenue and then the bookings across the 12 months. Then we have the version 2 here. We have presented the dashboard in a different way. So we have the key performance indicators. Then we have this here based on the institution that you are going to pick or the company that you are going to pick. You can see a car representing that company that you have selected. And then we also have this here reflecting the selection from the slicer. And this also filters the revenue and the bookings by month. So if I pick Uber, this is what we have. If I pick Bolt, this is what we have. Then we also have the month here, which is featuring the key performance indicators and then the market leaders by revenue and then the bookings. This also filters the key performance indicators. So if I pick Bolt, this is going to show the revenue, the total bookings, and then the active drivers for Bolt. So depending on the selection, you are going to see the insight right on the dashboard. So these are the 2 dashboards that we are going to come up with by the time we finish this course. Then finally, we are going to leverage AI to turn raw data into a dashboard where we can extract business insights. And we are going to do this step by step. So I'm going to see you in the next lesson where we are going to take a look at the data that we are going to work with.